Hi everyone, my name is Liz and I post 3 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and I mostly post reviews and tutorials and it's all beauty related. So let's just get into this video, and in this video again I am reviewing another chocolate bar palette. This is the chocolate truffle palette, and in here you get 18 shades, and I love the fact that now they've put all the shades on here. It actually feels like a sticker. Oh my god, it is a sticker. It is a sticker. Wow. Okay. I guess that was the easiest way to print the shades on the box. Now it's saying that the pressed pigments are not eye safe. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 13 shades are not eye safe. That's crazy. And only 1, 2, 3, 4. And only 5 shades are. I'm quite confused by that. If you want to know what's on my lips, because I am in love with this combination, let me find it. It is MAC Soar Lip Liner and this Collection Lip Jello in the number 1, which just looks like that, and it's so creamy. I love this lip combo. So yeah, let's just get into this, where 13 shades are not safe for your eyes. Yeah, it's a... Oh, they're actually calling them shadow palettes now. Oh wow, okay. They're not actually calling them eyeshadows, they're calling them shadow palettes, so... Okay, well, you know. Crazy. It is also cruelty free. But I don't know if it's vegan. Doesn't say it. Okay, now I love the colour of this packaging. It's like a nice dark chocolate brown, and it's got this rich red colour like for the chocolate bars. It's amazing. Again, you get the huge mirror, and then I'll give you a close-up of the shades. These are all the shades. Sorry about the ring light, but you can still see them. So there is some nice like nude colours and then some pops of colour. I really like this head over heels colour here. Like, I feel like it will match my lipstick quite well. Then you've got a nice pink here. So you've got like some silvers, blues, reds. It's like you've got a lot of colours, and it's like a wintry palette. That's what it feels like to me. It doesn't feel like, even though there's nice pops of colour, it doesn't feel like a summer palette. It feels more wintry to me. So we're just going to head straight into the tutorial, and then I'll do some live swatches. So I'm actually going to start off with the live swatches first, because I feel like you get to see the array of colours, and it might give me some inspiration of what colours I want to play with. So this shade here is called Ganache, and this one is called Truffle. I love like the red tone in this shade. And then you've got Romance, which is a lovely like pink seductress shade, and Chemistry, which really matches that quite well. This is Date, and this one is Valentine. So that is the top row. Then we've got Sweetheart and Secret. I really like that Secret shade. Like, it's like a lovely like blue brown shade, and we all know MAC was the first to come out with that shade. Then we've got this lovely rich dark blue shade called Night In, and then we've got Tease, which is a lovely like deep lavender shade. Wine and Dine, oh wow, and Lover, a rich shimmery chocolate brown shade. Now we're on to the third row, and the third row starts with Candlelit, which is like this champagne colour, and then we've got SO, which I have no idea what that means. Head Over Heels, oh wow, Red Rose. This one is Bouquet, not Bucket, it's Mrs. Bouquet. If anyone knows where that's from, please let me know. Well, I know already, but yeah, you know. And the last one is Chocolate Heart. This would be a lovely Valentine's Day present palette to use. Amazing. Like, I love that. So from first impressions, they all swatch really, really well, which I am happy. I wonder what it will be like on my eyes, so let's just pull you in closer and get started with the actual tutorial. Starting off, I want to take this shade here called Date and put that as my transition colour. That was lovely. Like, it starts off quite like you can't see it, and then it really builds up the colour. I have to double dip for that one. I'm really just going to try most of the pinks, and I'm going to go in with this shade here called Sweetheart. Take that a little bit lower down. It's putting off a bit of like lavender tones in it. I'm really liking that. Just going to take that first shade Date and just run it along the top again, just to build up that transition shade. Smooth out the transition here. There was me like I'm going to go for a natural look. Don't think so today. Then I want to take this shade right at the end here called Valentine, just getting darker. Just want to pack it on. Not as pigmented on your eyes as I would hope. That's better. Then we're going to take that second shade Sweetheart and just blend out the edges. I'm going to take this shade here called Romance on like the inner corner here. Not the actual corner, but the inner third of my eyelid. Oh, wow, that looks so good. And now take this shade Chemistry right next to it to make it really like blend in with that shade. And I'm getting fallout everywhere. And then for under my eye, I'm going to start off with this shade here called Sweetheart. And I'm then just going to deepen up the outer corner of my waterline with this shade Head Over Heels. I feel like there's a lot of eyeshadow in my eye. So for the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade here called Candlelit and put that under my brow bone as well. So I feel like that is it for the eyes. I am going to do a highlight, show you what highlighter I'm using, and of course at the moment my favourite go-to highlighter is the Revolution Raise the Bar highlighter, and it's just amazing. So yeah, let's just put this all over. I'm going to go off camera, do my mascara and come back with my final thoughts. This is the finished look. Let me just start off by saying that I love this palette. It really does remind me of like a sweet sultry type palette. I can see why they called it chocolate truffle, because I guess like for Valentine's you probably always get like chocolates and stuff like that, and the names all remind me of something to do with Valentine's Day. So like romance, chemistry, Valentine, chocolate heart, red rose. So I feel like this is the ultimate Valentine's like palette, and I'm actually really impressed. Like sometimes there are some dud shades in the chocolate heart palettes, but in this I didn't find a dud shade, and I love the richness of this red shade and the chocolate. It's just overall a very good palette, and in my eyes is worth the £10. Usually I feel like there's a few dud shades, it's not probably worth as much money as it should be, but I feel like this is worth it. This is one of my favourite chocolate bar palettes, and I'll probably continue to use this a lot more often in my day-to-day life, and I'm glad that I finally have picked it up and used it for the first time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below and give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.